Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. I'm out here on the walk with my family. I just want to come here and share a little bit about my book club. It's called Nina's Book Club. And the reason why I started, it's mainly to encourage other kids to love to read books. It's fun for kids, good activities for the family, and guess what? The books are easy to read. Be very nice. Share the videos, and you're going to be seeing more of the videos. Alright, try and have a good rest of the day. Ta-ta!
Yeah, wait. Você gostou bastante. Three feet.
Now be careful. This is my weather.
You do have a little creek there. I think that's right. Oh,
The dog, because I'm trying not to dog. Can I see it? All dogs patients need this. Okay, this is bad. Yeah.